Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Grow with Knife coin. Price prediction this year mega billion. That how many zeros this meme coin can kill here. Is this meme coin has potential to be the next 1000x potential meme coin? Can be the next $1 billion market meme coin or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, sky symbols 0.7 times 0 to $5 current price. Last 30 days performance is not good because entire crypto market was dumping. That's why price is also dumped by 33% last 30 days, 24% last 14 days, 15% last 7 days, and also 4% in last 24 hours. So this dump is definitely good for us. We can buy this meme coin at low price and low market cap. Current market cap is just $19.4 million. Recently I buy also on get.io exchange. Okay, I will show you later. You can see last 24-hour trading volume is very low because still very few central exchange have list this coin, so that's why its trading volume is just $257,000 only, so very low trading volume. Meme coin is very unique, and that's the reason that's why I buy this coin is here. You can see friends, Kronos. Okay, this meme coin is working on Kronos chain. Okay, crypto.com exchange native chain Kronos, where this meme coin is initially launched. After that also launched on Arbitrum, Bash, Polygon, on Solana, but this meme coin is initially working on Kronos. This is a Kronos ecosystem meme coin, so that's why this meme coin is very unique, and that's why this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market. And also that was the reason that's why I invested in this meme coin. We are at 2% down than its all-time high. They were 9 months ago 0.6 times $0.14, but still we are 588% up than its all-time low. Also they were 11 months ago. Coin initial launched with 8 zeros and kill already 2 zeros when mac is all-time high. So right now performance from this meme coin is somehow good. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. Bitmart has listed, Get.io, and Crypto.com. So only three central exchanges has list this coin. So lots of central exchange listing is still left for this coin, and maybe we can see its listing on many other major central exchanges when crypto market will again recover, and we can see a massive boom in CRO coin price in Kronos on coin price. At that time all other Kronos ecosystem coins will perform amazing here, and definitely car will be the one of them. Friends, like see, crow with knife, literally just a crow with the knife. You can build this coin, build a crow here. You can buy this coin on their official website. Also join the social community just like Instagram, just like X, Telegram, and Discord. Also you can check out all further details here. Here you can see friends. Okay, these are the three central exchanges where this coin listed, and these are the other chains where this coin is also available. Okay, you can see recent buying orders and selling orders, all further details here on their website. So no doubt tokens looking good. Kronos scan friends, XC on Kronos scan 10,937 holders for this meme coin. Okay, nearly 11,000 holders right now for this meme coin. This is amazing. Number one wallet had 35% supply, second has 6, second has 6. Number 7th wallet is this Worm wallet, Dead wallet, where has 1.1% of supply. Okay, so it's I think 1.1% supply is also burned, so this is good. These are the some other wallets they are holding this coin. Okay, top 50 wallets. Okay, so this is good friends. And so now my price prediction about Carcoin is that as this current market cap is just $19 million, but friends, I think Carcoin has potential to be the next at least $3 to $5 billion market cap meme coin. The reason I earlier told you that this meme coin is working on Kronos chain, because this is also a not a dog or cat theme meme coin, because in crypto market we have many dog and cat theme meme coin, but this meme coin has very unique theme and very unique blockchain. That is the reason, that is why we can see its listing on all tier 1 central exchanges including Binance, and its market cap around maybe $3 to $5 billion in this year mega bullion. I'm holding 209 million car coins on Geldor.io exchanges. I'll show you because price was continuously dumping here, so that's why I buy this coin around for $10. I think for $10, and right now I have only $5 and $6 worth car only. So I'm also 2x loss here, but it doesn't matter because I buy this meme coin at my own research, at my own risk, and I'm not going to sell this meme coin soon. My price target for this coin is when this coin will kill at least three zeros and reach at least $1 to $5 billion market. Before that, I'm not going to sell Crow coin because already I have a few coin, and maybe it's also possible that that I can buy some more car coins here, because right now only $19 million market. And right now this meme coin is almost 90% down than its all-time high. So right now investing in this meme coin can be highly risky, but no doubt can be highly rewarded also. So maybe I can buy some more car coin, but my selling target will be around $3 to $5 billion, or at least kill three zeros from its current price. What's your price prediction about car coin? You can must comment down below.